Hello, chemistry class. It's Mr. Ng. It is April 7th, so we are basically 3 weeks and a little bit into our remote learning. Thank you so much for all the work that you guys have been doing. I've been checking them over. They look pretty darn good. And I love the fact that some of you did do some of the labs that I posted. I'm really grateful for that. We won't really have a lab this week, but we will have a little mini lab next week, depending on how we do on molarity. But first, some updates. The school wants you guys to know that they are dispensing Chromebooks this week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. If you need a Chromebook or you know a friend who needs a Chromebook, please reach out to me. Please reach out to the school, particularly Mr. Nance, and then we'll get that set up for you. We want everybody to have an opportunity to learn at home. On top of that, I know a lot of you guys are worried about grades. For me, I know that the grades aren't due till the end of the school year, and we're not going back to school ever. Like the day that we had on Friday is the last day that we got to see each other. So for me, bear with me here. I'm trying to create as much content as possible. So the grading for me, I am trying to do a little bit of grading every day. If you look on the internet, like I am like going through your stuff, but updating your grades and things like that. I'm still waiting for instruction from the district. So it's kind of a weird zone. Like we don't know what I mean. We're told that it should be extra credit, but we don't know if that's going to stick. So all of that is still in discussion. So it's a little bit ambiguous for me right now. So just hold on tight. But what's important here is not so much your grade, but the fact that you guys are learning. Trust me that I'm going to take care of your grades. You're taking care of your grades. Your grades should be fine. But right now, I don't think the grades should be the most important thing, right? I mean, right now, out there are a bunch of helpers, aren't there? There are people in the medical profession. Heck, there are people just trying to do their jobs, and they're doing it in a way that is meaningful and honest. And I like that spirit of things. So sometimes I feel like when we're just kind of chasing the grade, we're really not exercising all the good that we have inside us, right? We have a lot of virtues, and now is the time for that authenticity to come out, for us to put in the real work because we're investing in ourselves in case we have another crazy thing. You know, it might not be a pandemic the next time, but I want you guys to be talented and I want you guys to be people of character. Okay? Hey, this week we are going to finish up molarity. I saw that a lot of you guys got that work done a little bit. I wish you guys showed a little bit more work. A lot of you guys just kind of gave me answer keys, and I mean, not that I don't trust you, but let's admit that there are a lot of answer keys out on the internet. I really want to see if you guys really know that work. So for this week, on top of doing worksheet 2, can you give me a short little video as to what you did so that I know that you know how to do this stuff? And lastly, of course, stay safe. It's supposed to be the peak of the coronavirus, at least in New York. These next 2 weeks are supposed to be pretty daunting. So I really miss you guys, and I hope that you guys are staying safe and working hard and staying positive.